I want you to picture this scene. You have a dirty t-shirt and you want your t-shirt clean. So what would you do? Obviously, the sensible thing would be to put it in a washing machine to have a clean white t-shirt, as you can see in the diagram. Now, imagine the dirty t-shirt as money obtained from illicit sources such as drug dealing or maybe terrorism. Just as the white t-shirt, you want to make the money look clean or legitimate. That's what we call money laundering. There are 3 stages in money laundering. Step 1 is placement. This is where dirty money is being put into the financial system, assuming it is clean money. Step 2 is layering. What does that mean? Well, with layering, money is being moved across banks or across countries, leaving a confusing trail behind. Step 3 is integration. Now, let's not forget money laundering is a criminal offense. So with integration, the criminal buys houses, cars, etc., all with laundered money. Basically, the dirty money re-enters the economy as clean money. My name is Shaktee Ramtohul. Hit the like and subscribe button for more videos on accounting, banking, and finance.